To transfer money from the USA using OFX, start by opening a web browser and searching for OFX. This will bring up various search results, including the OFX website, which may appear as OFX International Money Transfers or OFX.com. Once you've accessed the website, you'll see the OFX logo at the top left, along with sign in and sign up options at the top right. If you already have an account, you can sign in with your email and password. Otherwise, create a new account by filling out the sign-up form. Before sending a transfer from the United States, you'll need to verify your identity and account. You can also add your bank details and create a new recipient by selecting Someone Else and following the prompts. To initiate a transfer, find the US dollars option and select the currency you want to exchange it for, such as euros. This will allow you to view the current exchange rate and determine how much you can send. After completing the verification process and setting up your account, you can proceed with the transfer. The website will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure a secure transaction. With OFX, you can easily send and receive money internationally, taking advantage of competitive exchange rates and a straightforward transfer process.